Hello everyone. Today we are gonna make a cosmetic pouch. Let's break it down step by step. You need 10 by 13 inches for the outer fabric. Prepare the lining in the same size as outer fabric. This is the holder that makes it easy to open and close the zipper. About 1.75 inches to 2 inches wide would be fine. Since it will be attached to both sides of the zipper, 2 pieces about 2 inches long would be enough. And the zipper, we are gonna cut the zipper to fit the panel later. Both the outer fabric and lining have fusible inner facing attached to the back. Fusible is basically fabric with adhesive on it. This is used as a backing for the purpose of stability or for adding body to the fabric. This textured part has adhesive on it. Place this side on the wrong side of the panel and iron it to make it stick. First, we'll attach the zipper to the outer fabric. It's the simple way to insert the zipper between the outer fabric and the lining, like a sandwich. While you sew it all at once, it might end up crooked or uneven if you are not used to it. So let's do it step by step. Place the zipper face down on the outer fabric, aligning the edges, and sew. When attaching the zipper, using a zipper foot makes sewing easier. Next, sew the lining to the zipper like a sandwich and align it well with the outer fabric and sew all the way through. Flip the lining and outer fabric so their wrong sides face each other. And top stitch. Mark the end points on the zipper. Sew along the other side of the zipper. Align it with the markings on the outer fabric. Now we'll attach the lining. Sew the lining in the same way, but leave about 3 inches for the opening. Flip it over. And top stitch, leaving an opening. For the holder, make the center line first and fold the sides. Then fold in half again and stitch both sides. Prepare by cutting 2 inches long pieces. Attach the holders on both ends. When using a long zipper like this, the ends tend to spread apart, so we'll secure them with hand stitching. Trim the excess zipper. Turn it wrong side out. And mark each center. Match those centers with a zipper and pin or clip both the lining and outer fabric together. And sew. Trim any excess work. Turn it right side out through the opening. Close the opening with top stitch. And press. When you fold these lines together, it forms a triangle. Mark it at 2 inches. Do the same for the remaining 3 corners. And sew. Leave a seam allowance of less than 1/8 inches. Turn it wrong side out. This time, encase the seam allowance and sew from the inside. This technique is called the French seam. Its characteristic is that the seam is neatly finished without being visible from the outside or inside. This pouch will be sewn with 2.5 inches width. The process is the same as the pink pouch. Thank you for watching.